Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are doing well and enjoying your vacation. Right? Okay. First of all, I am introducing myself. I am Nivya. Due to some special circumstances, I am taking classes for you. Okay. Before starting class, let's pray. A silent prayer. All of you close your eyes and join your palms. Okay, let's begin. Yes, in this lockdown period, what are you doing inside your home? You are simply sitting inside your home? No, not at all. You are playing hide and seek, cricket, shuttle, and different types of games, isn't it? Yes, okay. While playing hide and seek, what you have seen in your surroundings? Yes, plants, animals, birds, soil, water, buildings, etc. Am I right? Yes. Yes. Then everything around us forms our environment. The things that seen around us forms our environment. What are the things you found in your environment? Yes, birds, plants, animals, people, land, water, soil, buildings, etc. So, everything forms around us forms our environment. Everything around us forms our environment. You got it? Then what forms an environment? Everything around us forms our environment. Everything. What are the things? Yes, birds, animals, plants, land, soil, water, etc. forms our environment. So you study what forms an environment? What forms an environment? Everything around us forms our environment. Okay, got it? Yes, in our environment, we can see natural things and man-made things. Then what is natural things? Natural things means the things found in the nature. We can see the things in the nature by itself. That is birds, animals, plants, etc. That natural things. Not only birds, plants, animals, air, water, soil. These are natural things. We can see inside in the nature itself. Okay. Study. You understand what is natural things? The things found in the nature is natural things. You have any doubt? The things found in nature. Things found in nature is natural thing. And can you give me the examples? Plants, animals, birds, land, soil, water, etc. Okay? Then what is man-made things? The word itself, man-made. Okay, man-made. The things made by people. The things made by people is man-made things. Okay, natural things, the things found in nature. Man-made things means things made by people. Understand? Then which are the examples for man-made things? Yes, pen, book, this duster, then what, car, bus, whiteboard, doors, windows, etc. are example for man-made things. Why it is called man-made? Because these things are made by people. Okay. Then we can revise what is the first thing we studied. First thing we studied about what forms our environment. Everything around us forms our environment. The next is natural thing. What is natural thing? Things found in nature is natural thing. Okay. Then what are man-made things? Things made by people. Okay. Understand? Okay. Then we already studied that natural thing and man-made things. Okay. Good, thorough with the natural thing and man-made things. Okay. Then next topic is living things and non-living things. From the word itself, living itself, living. What is it? It has life. Things which has life is living thing. Then, of course, what is non-living thing? Non-living thing, it has no life. Okay. Living thing means which has life. Non-living things means just no life. Okay. Man, but not man, people, plants, animals, birds, etc. are the examples for living thing. Understand? Then, what are the examples for living things? Say, yes, plants, animals, birds, people, etc. Okay. Then, give some examples for non-living thing. Please say, yes, first of all, bus. I know you will say bus, car, paper, pen, bench, desk, etc. Okay. So, you studied another two definitions. What are living things and non-living things? Then tell me, what are living things? Living things which have life. Things which have life is living thing. Okay. Then the things which has no life is non-living thing. Okay. Okay, understand? Yes. Then living things, what it do? Or we can study the difference between living thing and non-living thing. Okay? Now we are going to study the difference between living and non-living thing. Okay? Then what is the difference first of all? You know? We are breathing. How do we breathe? Isn't it? We are breathing and breathe out. You remember our breathing meditation process. In that process, we are taking inside air and take out air. Breathe out and breathe in. Breathe in and breathe out. But non-living things breathe. This pen will breathe. Have you ever seen? No. From that we can understand that what? Non-living things do not breathe. But we, living things, Not only we people, animals breathe, plants also breathe. Okay. Yes. First we studied living things breathe. Okay. Then, are you feeling hungry? All of them take your breakfast? Yes, some of them feeling hungry, isn't it? So what will we do? Just go to take food, isn't it? Yes. Why do we eat food? We eat food to live and grow. Okay. We eat food to live and grow. Birds eat food. Animals eat food. But door eat food? Have you ever seen? Huh? A window eat food? No. Only living things eat food. Why? Living things grow. Okay. Understand? From where do these animals get food? Yes, animals get food from plants. Not only animals. We people also get food from plants. From where plants get food? Plants make their own food. They make their own food. We studied that we eat food to live and grow. Yes. When you are a child, at that time you are like a small baby, isn't it? Now you are just like a small baby? No, you grow. Yes. Then, have you ever seen a puppy? Yes, I know. Most of them have puppies. Yes, that puppy always look like puppy? No, after some months back, it will be a dog. A child become adult. You will become adult. Okay? So, the character is what? Living things breathe. Then, living things eat food. Living things grow. Next is, living thing can move. I am walking. But a desk can walk? No, it cannot walk. A pen can walk? No, it can't walk. Only living things can move. Okay, only living things can only move. Non-living things do not move. Understand? Yes. Okay. Plants also move. Have you seen? Plants always look straight? No. It grows like this, isn't it? Yes. Then, have you heard about Touch Me Not plant? No. This is picture of Touch Me Not plant. Whenever you see this plant, just go and touch it. What will happen? Sleeve close. Why? Feel. Feel. That's why it is become close. Okay? When an ant bites you, what will happen? You feel pain. When an ant bites you, what happened to you? You feel pain. You will say, cry and say, Mummy, an ant is biting me. Come. Likewise, you will tell, isn't it? Yes. Why it happened? Because we have the sense of feeling. Okay. So, we studied another point. Living things feel. Okay? You got it? Yes. The next is living things reproduce. It can produce their own young ones. Huh? Yes. A cow give birth to calf. Isn't it? Calf. Cow give birth to calf. Sorry. Calf. Okay. Cow give birth to calf. A kangaroo give birth to joy. Okay. Yes. It's only. It happens to living things. Living things reproduce. What is reproduction means what? Reproduction means the living things or living things give birth to their own baby. Okay? Their own kind baby give birth to their own babies or their own kind. Okay? Understand? If non-living things reproduce? No. Understand? So, we can say the characters of living things and non-living things. Living things breathe. Non-living things not breathe. Okay? Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things eat food. Non-living things do not take food. Living things move. Non-living things do not move. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. Okay. So, just revise what are the things we studied in this class. Okay, we can revise. Yes, first of all we studied what forms our environment. Say loudly, what forms our environment. Everything around us forms our environment. Okay, yes, good. Then, what are natural? Yes. Things such as cars, buses, benches, doors, windows, pen, etc. are man-made things. Next, living things and non-living things. The things which has life is living thing. The things do not have life is called non-living things. Okay. What are the example for living thing? Yes, birds, animals, plants, people, human beings. People, no problem for people. Human beings also correct. Okay. Then, what are the examples for non-living things? There's car, then bus, then pen, book, etc. Okay. Then, we studied the difference between living things and non-living things. What are the differences? Living thing breathe, living thing eat food, living things move, living things grow, living things feed, and living things reproduce. But the non-living things do not breathe, non-living things do not take food, non-living things do not grow, non-living things do not move, non-living things do not feed, non-living things do not reproduce. Okay? All of you understand about our environment? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Then we can go to our homework. Go through our homework. Take Splash. This book. Take this book. Splash. And take page number 136. Okay, see? Have you seen it? Yes. Then, here, circle the living things with a green crayon. Do you know that what is living thing? So, take a green crayons and make circle which is which is living thing. Okay, circle green color, circle living things with a green crayon. Okay, then circle non-living things with a red crayon. Circle non-living things with red crayon. Which are non-living things here? Yes, you should color non-living things with red crayons. The next B. Correct the words underlined. Animals are non-living things. Animals are non-living things? No. Then make it correct as living thing. Here you should write living things. Okay. Then here food help us to breathe. Food help us to breathe? No. Instead of breathe what? Food help us to live. Okay. Things that are found in nature are man-made things. Things that are found in nature are man-made things? No, it's wrong. It is natural things. So you should write natural. Non-living things can feel. Non-living things can feel? No. So you should write living things. Living things do not reproduce. We studied that non-living things do not reproduce. Living things reproduce. So instead of this living, you should write here non-living things. Okay. The next, choose words from the box. Fill in the blanks. Things around us forms our what? Yes, good. Environment. Here it is. Environment. You should write here. Our environment is made of man-made and yes, very good. Natural things. Plants are living. Living things move. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Sorry, here this question is living things breathe air. Okay. Living things breathe air. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Okay. Understand? So you should do this work and study the lesson thoroughly. Okay, thank you.